Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I did film a get ready with me. I did more of a cool tone look. As you can see here, it's very smoky. It does have a wing liner. It's very kind of like Instagram baddie, but with cooler tones. I did use the Persona palette. Sonia here on YouTube, I don't know how to say her last name. I will have her channel linked in the description bar. She created her own makeup brand. I do know that she has some highlighters out now in Ulta, but I did not purchase that. I did, however, purchase her Identity palette, and these are the colors in the palette. I feel like there's a good mixture of cooler and warmer tones in this palette, so you can go either way with your eyeshadow look. Pigmentation and the blendability of these shadows are really nice. I'm excited to do more looks. If you guys want to see a more in-depth tutorial using this palette, I will go ahead and film that for you guys. As always, all the products that I use will be linked in the description bar. I really enjoyed filming this makeup look. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, if you guys have any comments or requests, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section down below. If you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching.
Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through. Stay one more night, and I know that it's not too late. Let's make things right. You just have to believe in fate. Stay